In this video, we will show you how to fix the Messages app that keeps crashing on Samsung Galaxy A33. When a pre-installed application like Messages starts to crash, the problem can be due to a minor issue with the app itself, or there are glitches in the system. This is often a minor problem, which you can fix easily. If you encounter this issue, the first thing you have to do is to close the Messages app and then reopen it. This will often fix minor app-related issues like this. To do that, tap the recent key. Look for the Messages preview and then swipe up on it. You can also just tap on Close All to quit everything. After doing that, launch the messaging app again to see if the problem is fixed. Because if not, then the next thing you need to do is to restart your phone. A reboot will refresh your phone's memory and reload all apps and services. To do that, swipe down from the top of the screen twice to pull down the Quick Settings panel. Tap on the power icon to view the options. Tap Restart and tap Restart again to confirm. Once the phone has finished rebooting, try running Messages again to see if it still crashes or not anymore. If the problem continues, the next thing you have to do is to reset the app, which means you have to clear its cache and data. To do that, pull up the apps drawer and go to the screen where Messages can be found. Tap and hold on its icon until the options menu shows. Tap the app info icon. Scroll down a bit and tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Data and tap OK to confirm. After doing that, launch the Messages app and see if the app still crashes. In most cases, this problem can be fixed by the first three solutions. Tap on the Options icon at the top right corner. Tap Reset App Preferences. You may read the information on the screen and once ready, tap Reset to proceed. After resetting the app preferences, launch Messages and that should do it. But if the problem still occurs, then you have to reset all settings on your phone. Swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the gear icon. Scroll all the way down and tap General Management. Tap Reset and select Reset All Settings. Tap Reset Settings and enter your security lock if prompted. Tap the Reset button to finally reset the settings of your phone. This should be the end of the problem and the gallery should run without any problems after that. We hope that this guide can be helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.